Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about leverage and risks. So the first topic of this chapter is just defining what is leverage and what is risk. Now these terms leverage and risk, these can be used interchangeably. But let's understand what are the types of risks or leverages that we are going to study in this chapter. So in front of you there is a flow chart which is defining four types of risk. So we can begin with operating risk. Risk due to higher fixed operating costs like depreciation, rent, lease payments, etc. These costs will affect your operating income, EBIT. So basically, operating risk का मतलब वो risk which is due to operating costs or operating fixed costs. Now, what are operating fixed costs? Those costs which are required to operate your business. And why are they fixed? Fixed as in it won't depend on your sales or your production. वो fixed cost है, वो fixed ही रहेगा whether you do your business or not. For example, depreciation. If you're using straight line depreciation, तो every year और वी कैन से एवरी 6 years वो वैल्यू डेप्रिशिएट होने ही वाला है इन दैट रेशियो इटसेल्फ. So the same amount will be sent to your income statement every year. That is why it is fixed. Similarly, rent or lease payments. So basically, if you have taken a factory or a warehouse on rent, तो वो rent भी fixed होगा irrespective of you producing or selling or not. So first risk is operating risk, and of course operating fixed cost के वजह से ये risk है. That is why my EBIT will be affected. So higher the fixed cost, lower would be my EBIT. Remember this equation. I'll write it here. F stands for operating fixed cost. If F increases, my earnings before interest and tax will fall. Second risk is sales risk. Uncertainty of sales price and quantity of sales. See, whenever you want to find the dollar amount of sales, you will multiply sales price per unit multiplied by quantity sold or number of units sold. So there can be a risk sales price can be fluctuating or your quantity of sales can be fluctuating. It can be due to unfavorable economic conditions, government regulations, technological developments, etc. Let's start with the last reason, technological developments. तो टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट में आई कैन गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. लेट्स से पहले कैमरा रोल्स मिलते थे एंड देन डिजिटल कैमरास केम इनटू पिक्चर. आफ्टर डिजिटल कैमरास नाउ देयर आर गोप्रो कैमरास, एक्शन कैमरास, और अभी तो फोन से भी फोटोग्राफी हो जाती है. सो बेसिकली if let's say your product was selling camera rolls, quite possible your quantity sold or number of units sold will fall. So this is nothing but an example of technological development. It can be devastating. फिर गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशंस है, तो इफ़ योर प्रोडक्ट हैज़ बीन बैंड बाय द गवर्नमेंट तो क्वाइट पॉसिबल नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. और योर प्रोडक्ट हैज़ बीन मेड कंपलसरी बाय द गवर्नमेंट तो वो एक्स्ट्रा हो जाएगा, तो सेल्स क्वांटिटी वुड बी हायर. हाउ कैन एनी प्रोडक्ट बी मैंडेटेड? तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर प्लास्टिक बैन कर दिया एंड पेपर इज मैंडेटेड एंड यू आर सेलिंग पेपर, तो डेफिनेटली योर सेल्स विल इंक्रीज. फिर इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस है. इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस बेसिकली डिमांड, सप्लाई, कंपटीशन एंड ऑल दीज रीजंस. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दीज योर सेल्स कैन फ्लक्चुएट. नेक्स्ट इज बिजनेस रिस्क. नाउ बिजनेस रिस्क का फॉर्मूला है इट इज इक्वल टू ऑपरेटिंग रिस्क प्लस सेल्स रिस्क. बेसिकली operating risk as in the risk due to fixed operating costs and sales risk which is uncertainty of your sales amount. These two combined would be your business risk. And last one is financing risk. So risk due to higher use of debt, that is higher fixed financing cost, meaning higher interest cost. तो अगर interest cost high है तो risk would be high. If you don't have enough profits to pay off the interest, your business is having a financing risk. Also, if you use higher debt, your equity holders will be at risk and therefore they will also demand higher return. So all in all, these four types of risks you need to know: operating risk, sales risk, business risk, and financing risk. Now risk can be changed and it can be written as leverage. So operating leverage, financial leverage, etc., etc. So in the coming videos, we will be studying operating leverage and financial leverage, and combine the two, operating multiplied by financing leverage is nothing but total leverage of the company. So we'll be studying all these in the coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.